Welcome back to the podcast brought to you by SDC. Life on the Costa Brava is shaped by landscapes and languages, coves and conversations. It's Mediterranean light filtered through Catalan tradition. You will feel the landscape first. Cliff paths that wind to tiny beaches, pine shade over stone steps, vineyards rolling toward walled villages. Morning swims become routine, not reward. Sunday might be a coastal walk, followed by lunch in a medieval square inland. Nature is not a weekend plan, it's the baseline. And then there's the culture. Catalan festivals, human towers, dancing in town squares, village markets that introduce you by name after a few visits. Spanish carries you far. Catalan carries you farther. A handful of phrases changes how people meet you. The balance surprises newcomers. The region is tranquil for much of the year, yet quietly sophisticated. There's galleries and design shops, bakeries that care about the details, restaurants that earn reputation without prestige. Summer is lively, winter turns inward and local. Both seasons feel honest. You're going to feel the pace. Meals are going to stretch. Errands happen on foot. Bureaucracy takes the time it takes. Relationships move at the speed of trust. If you arrive expecting fast answers to everything, you're going to feel friction. If you start with our step-by-step guide on our website, or if you want, you can give us a call at 844-651-7050.